Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a BMW X2. Start by prioritizing safety. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure both the dead BMW X2 and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off and not in contact. This prevents electrical surges and potential hazards. Familiarize yourself with the battery terminals. The positive is usually red, and the negative is black, often found under the hood in a BMW X2. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead BMW X2. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Double-check that both connections are tight and stable to ensure a good electrical flow. Next, handle the negative cables. Connect one end of the black negative jumper cable to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. For the other end, find a sturdy, unpainted metal part on your BMW X2's engine block or chassis, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection and helps prevent sparks near the battery. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try starting your BMW X2. Once it starts, disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First, remove the black negative cable from both vehicles, then the red positive cable. Drive your BMW X2 for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.